Okay, so for question 1, I was able to create a main class which is allowing me to test all my other classes. So I started by creating the product class, which contains the generic product class, and then I now created each specific product, like the book product class, which extends the product class, and then there was the cloud product, and there's the electronic product, and then I also implemented the store inventory as a standalone class here. And then it has all the methods. It is add product, remove product, find product, list all product, and get total value. So the main class now allowed me to test all these other methods. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create 3 stores. One is for the book product, another one is for the electronic product, and the other one is for the cloud product. So in this book product, I'll create 5 book products. The first one is the Lord of the Rings with the price of 19.999 and 10 quantity in stock, which was authored by J.R.R. Tolkien, and the genre is fantasy. And then I create like 5 similar book products and 5 other electronic products and 5 cloud products. And then I start by now adding all those products in the book inventory for the book products, and then adding the electronic products in the electronic inventory, and adding the cloth in the cloth inventory. So the first test is to list all products. If I run my main class, we'll be able to see. Okay, let me make my terminal bigger. Okay, so the book inventory will be able to see all the products which I listed: the book, the Lord of the Rings, the electronic inventory, the cloth inventory. And then from there, the second text is to find product. So when you if you check the code on find product, there's finding the Lord of the Rings. When you find the Lord of the Rings on find product, we are given all the product description: product name, the Lord of the Rings, price this one, author this one. And then same for product electronic inventory. If you find for an Apple iPhone 11, you're given all the details: Apple iPhone 11, the price is this, quantity 10, the brand is Apple. And then if you are I also did the same for the cloth inventory, and I was able to find the Nike Air Max 270. You can find Nike Air Max, price is provided, quantity, the size, and also the color. Then the next test was to remove the product. If you remove the product, so what I did, I removed the Lord of the Rings Apple iPhone 11. And then if you come here now, what I did, I now printed out the original products again, and you see, because originally there were 5 and now there are only 4. So if you check the books, there's only the Hobbit, Harry Potter 1 to 3, and then there's no longer the Lord of the Rings. Anyway, even for Apple, there's no longer Apple iPhone 11. There's only Apple iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max. And then the other one was to get the total value, which I did here. Get total value for book inventory, electronic inventory, cloth inventory, which is implemented down here. So that's all for question 1. For question 2, I now started by creating a generic data entry class, which takes in string as an identifier, a data value E, and a long timestamp. Then there's also a data storage, which is all the methods. The data storage object is instantiated by the constructor. Then we have a data entry method, we have the retrieve data entry method, and also have the get entry count and get average timestamp. They are also implemented in their own main class. So when we come here to main, the first thing that I did is that I created data storage for strings, and then I create 5 different data entries which are strings. We have string entry 1, string entry 2, string entry 3, string entry 4, and stuff. Then we're also keeping the current time in milliseconds as our timestamp. So here I'm now adding those string entries into the data storage. And then when I do here now, when I print the get entry count, we'll now be able to see. Let me make this a bit bigger. So yeah, we'll be able to see that data entry count for string is 5, the average timestamp is this one, and then we try to retrieve a string entry, it's 3. we're able to get its data value and also its timestamp. So what I also did here is I also created a data storage for integers, a data storage for doubles, and I did the same. And I was just printing out basically the same matrix to show that all the 3 methods in my class work.